This is an add-on to the assembly guide. For more information, please refer to the guide. Lift the lever to separate the slides. Make sure you place the slides on the right side, then screw them in. Make sure you place the slides on the right side, align the slide with the piece, and then screw them in. Move forward the slides and make sure the ball bearings are towards the front part. Bring forward the lower flap of the anti-tilt, then install the lower drawer. Bring forward the upper flap of the anti-tilt, then install the upper drawer.